All right, I am making a video about the rear view mirror in a Saturn Vue, but this probably applies to a number of other vehicles. So the issue I'm having is she came loose. If you guys have done your research, these particular mirrors have like a retaining clip that holds them on in the back, and I had some little plastic pieces fall. The thing kind of just disintegrated behind there. And this is kind of what we've been dealing with. So if you want to take it out, what you're going to need is a T20 screwdriver. That's the screw that's behind there. It's one of those slotted types. So once you get that out, that'll be for this plastic piece that sits on top of the mount here. So once you get that off, you just gotta jiggle this a little bit to get that to unclip. You're also gonna have to pull out your electrical connector, which comes out pretty easily. I don't think there's actually any clips that hold that in. So then you're left with your pretty standard slide-on type of mirror mount. So I'll pull it off of there. So this is what it looks like behind there. And you can see on mine, like I was saying, those little fingers just disintegrate. And like I said, I think there was some other kind of clip that was on there. So you can see how loose this thing is in there. Super loose. I'll just pop it out, show you what it looks like. So I heard some others mention that, you could like fold up a couple pieces of paper or try like a piece of a plastic bottle. I tried both of those. So first I tried this like plasticky sticker paper from just a kid sticker. That didn't really do anything. Then I tried the thicker soda bottle plastic, and that actually caused it to crack. I shouldn't have pushed too hard on it, but I actually had a few more fingers over here, and when I tried to jam it down in there with that thicker soda bottle plastic, it cracked it right off. So I've heard some others, mention putting screws in the sides. Just because of the way this plastic looks, it's almost this like graphite looking plastic. I'm a little reluctant to put screws in there to create something to hold it down. So what I ended up trying is, I also didn't want something, kind of gaudy hanging off the back of this mirror, even though I know you're not going to really see it. But I cut the finger off of a black latex glove and just slide it over the back of this thing. So let me try to hold my phone and do this at the same time. So you see I just got my little latex glove finger on here. Before I tried this, I actually just tried a section of the glove, and it seemed to work pretty good. And that's, instead of just like cutting out a square from the glove, I just decided, using a finger would probably make more sense. I think this is the pinky. So anyway, I just put the latex finger on there, and it snaps in pretty decent. And we'll see how long this holds up, but it does allow it to move, and it seems to be pretty rigid. If I hold it up, it's holding there, and if I jiggle it, the mirror doesn't really want to fall. So I think it's a good fix. So just wanted to share that with some of you, because hadn't really seen a good video that showed this in detail. So hopefully it helps you. Thanks for watching.